ballet combination, plie at the bar. So you're gonna do preparation 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna do a demi plie. So it's gonna be demi plie, stretch, demi plie, stretch. Now you're gonna do a full demi plie. Demi plie, stretch. You're now gonna tonder your foot to second position, lower. Same thing, 2 demis. Demi, stretch, demi, stretch, demi. Now stretch, tendu, quasi to fourth. You're gonna do a demi, stretch, demi, stretch, full demi, stretch, tendu to fifth. Demi, stretch, demi, stretch, demi, stretch. You're gonna do a su-su. You're gonna lower. You're gonna come right back. You're gonna come up. You're gonna do a su-su. You're gonna lower. You're gonna do a come right back. You're gonna come up. You're gonna do a su-su and su-nu to do the other side. For more ballet combinations, please visit JacklynDougherty.com. Much love.